So guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install applications which has been disappeared from your Google Play Store. Again, applications which has been disappeared from your Google Play Store, and how to install applications which are not available in your country. So there are two things that I will be teaching you. Applications which has been disappeared from your Google Play Store are the applications that you don't see it when you even search for it, and applications which don't support your country, which are not available in your country. So before we jump in, just make sure you click on the subscribe button to get updates on how to make money online and text. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So first thing first, I'll just open my Google Play Store. So here we are. I'll search for Vox Pop Me. Okay, so Vox Pop Me. So Vox Pop Me is a making money app. So as you can see, Vox Pop Me is not here. It has been disappeared from here. What we have here is Vox Pop Me Moment and Vox Pop Me Online, and they are all fake apps. The real app is not here. And I'll search for 1Q. It's also a money making app available in United States. So as you can see, it's not here as well. As you can see, they are not here. So what we will do is we will head over to our Google Chrome, Google Chrome. Then we search for Vox Pop Me APK. Just that. Just search for Vox Pop Me APK and click on search. Okay, so you see, always click on the one which is under apkpure.com. apkpure.com. Always click on the link under the m.apkpure.com. So we click on it. As you can see, we have the real Vox Pop Me here. This is the real Vox Pop Me. So we will click on it. You see, we never see this on Google Play Store. So we click on it. You see, then it will never harm your system. Never mind them. So it's downloading. See, almost completed. I don't want to skip anything. Okay, done. So we will install it. Boom. So we just installed something which we never saw on Google Play Store. So we open it, and as you can see, Vox Pop Me. And I'll be doing video about how to use this application to make money. So just hit on the subscribe button so that you don't miss it. So let's go back to Chrome. Then we search for 1Q. We search for this on Google Play Store and we didn't see it. So 1Q APK. So this is what we did when we search for Vox Pop Me. So you see 1Q for Android APK, and look, it's under apkpure.com. Always put that in your head. It's under apkpure.com. So you click on it and it's here. We can also download this. We can download it. So this is what you do either the application is not available in your country, you can still download it and use it using this simple method. This is a simple method. I know maybe many of you may know this, but a few others don't have the knowledge about this. That's why I'm doing a video about this. So if you know this already, then good for you. But if you don't know this is a real method. If you don't see anything or something that you want on Google Play Store, just open your Google Chrome and search for it. If it's maybe you are searching for anything, just put in the name, then add APK, and make sure that you download it under apkpure.com. So I hope you've got that. So I'll just end here. If you like this video, don't forget to hit on the like button, then subscribe and click on the bell so that you don't miss anything I upload. And mind you, more videos will be coming. Learn how to make money online and text. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you again. Ciao.